Good morning, student. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. You know that our educational institution has stopped about 7 months for the COVID-19. Nowadays, our students' educational life is destroyed for COVID-19. For this reason, our government has taken various kinds of way to solve this problem. Now, the online class to remove our students' problem. So, online class is very good for our students. Now I am giving my identity. I am Tapun Kumar Bishwas, Sastra NUB Secondary School, Norali Sodor, Norali. Today's lesson, class 9, English, first part, unit 4, lesson 1. The title, The Ferry Boat. Ferry boat. Firstly, we want to search some keyword. Cross, happen, boatman, overcrowded, listen, Now I want to say to you the keywords, what's meaning in Bengali. Cross, happened, ঘটল, boatman, মাঝি, overcrowded, জনাকীর্ণ, listen, শোনো। ক্রস, পার হওয়া, পারানি, হ্যাপেন্ড, ঘটলো, বোটম্যান, মাঝি, ওভারক্রাউডেড, জনাকীর্ণ, listen, shona. Now I want to read the text. Students, everybody, attention please. Now I want to read the text. The ferry boat. Is there anybody here who has ever crossed a river by a country boat? I have teacher, said Zamil, and I clearly remembered what happened in that journey. Would you please tell us what happened? The teacher asked. Okay, teacher. It happened when I was in class 6. On a weekly bazaar day, people were coming back with their shopping bags and baskets in hands, on shoulder and heads. They had to cross the river. It was not a big river. There was a ferry boat playing on the river. The boat could cross it in 8 to 10 minutes. It was just after sunset. The weather was getting bad. The wind started blowing from the northwest. Black clouds were moving fast in the sky. Everybody was trying to get into the boat. No more. Please wait, shouted the boatman, but nobody listened to him. What happened then, Jamil? Asked Rumi. With too many people on board, the boat sank in the middle of the river, replied Jamil. Oh no, what happened then? Asked the teacher. Then, thank God, there were no casualties. All the passengers swam to the other side, but some of them lost the stuff they were carrying, such as oil, salt, and milk, said Jamil. Were you on the boat? Asked the teacher. No, teacher. Seeing the boat overcrowded, I waited for the next trip, replied Jamil. You did the right thing, Jamil. Students, I want to finish lesson. I have finished the lesson. I hope that you understand this lesson. Now, I want to say to you, if you improve in English, you must know the word meaning and try to grammatical rules. I think that you will be develop the English. Thank you, everybody. I want to bye this class. See you the next class. Everybody, thanks.